Hi, Chef Joe Crockett with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a baked salmon with new potatoes and a pine nut pesto. So we've got a little bit of oil in our baking dish. We've got our new potatoes that are already cut up. We've seasoned them with salt and pepper and drizzle them well with olive oil. We're going to add in our chopped shallots. Give this a quick toss. Add that to our dish. Kind of spread it out on the bottom. I'm going to use this as kind of our roasting rack for our salmon, which we've seasoned well with salt and pepper. I'm going to add our salmon just on top. Drizzle it with just a little bit of oil. Our oven is preheated to 375 degrees. Everything's seasoned. We've got some oil in here, and we're going to bake this for about 25 to 30 minutes at 375 degrees until our salmon just starts to flake with the touch of a fork. And then we're going to pull it out and apply the pesto, which we'll make in just a minute. We'll go ahead and put this in the oven. Show you the finished product in just a few minutes. Okay, so we're ready to make our pine nut pesto. Pesto is typically made with either pine nuts, you could use almonds, walnuts, just depends, but typically pine nuts are what is used. You could use anything from basil to spinach. We're using parsley, anything green you can really use to make the pesto. Olive oil, salt, pepper, the pine nuts, your greens. We're going to use a little bit of lemon zest. Aside. Season this. Salt, fresh cracked black pepper, good lug of olive oil. Okay, so we've added our lid. Now we're going to pulse it. Open it up, scrape a little bit. A little bit more olive oil. Pesto is done. We can set that aside and wait for our salmon to come out, and we'll put this on the top. Okay, so now we're adding our pesto to the top of our salmon. You just kind of want to smear it around. Now this is a dish that you could just take straight to the table and serve it as is, or you could plate it up. Either way. Alright, here we go.